Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really quick and easy dry brush and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use these neons. I'm using a China glaze called Sun Worshipper. It's a really pretty orange neon. There's neon yellow by Orly called Key Line Twist, and a neon pink by LA Colors called Absolute. And I already painted my nails with white polish, and I wanted to do a quick and easy dry brush design. I always see you guys like my dry brush. I guess it's really quick and easy, so I wanted to show you something. You can add as much neons as you want, as many colors, more like it. I just wanted to add these. This is like a perfect neon summertime look. Then using my Born Pretty BP-L017 nail plate, I'm going to apply black polish. Now this is a cool plate because it has a lot of beach summertime designs on this, so I really did like it. And what I did was I applied black polish to make it pop, and I'm doing kind of like the guy with his surfboard, or it could be a girl with his surfboard on the beach ready to go and surfing. And then I wanted to apply black polish on this pretty Hello Summer nail design. It's just really pretty. It just came out really cute, and I just love the look of it. And I didn't do this, I didn't show you it, but I did add from the other design. I used the palm trees and the birds just to complete the look. It just really came out cute. Once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload the videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See